Thanks for joining us tonight. Fears that part of Madison's south side turning into a food desert are being quashed today.
The city and SSM Health are joining forces to make sure food access continues there. Our Keely Arthur joins us now with the details. Keely?
Well, the Pick and Save along Park Street is really only one of the only full-service grocery stores in the area. Frustrations arose from some after SSM Health announced it would take over the property to build a new healthcare facility. Today, SSM Health is re-emphasizing its commitment to keep food access in the area with some help from the city.
We have seen the neighborhood around the Park Street corridor and particularly around the grocery store really organize themselves.
Those neighbors vocal about their concerns over the fate of a local grocery store after SSM Health announced it was planning to take over the property currently occupied by Pick and Save and turn it into a healthcare facility. The development now a little bit easier to digest after an announcement from the mayor today.
It's a high priority for the city to make sure that people have access to healthy and affordable food, but it's also a high priority for us to keep a major employer on the Park Street corridor.
Mayor Satya Rhodes Conway says the city plans to use a piece of city-owned land adjacent to Pick and Save to build a new full-service grocery store. And SSM Health says it will coordinate with the city to figure out a timeline on its development so that neck of Madison's woods doesn't turn into a food desert.
We're really pushing that very little of that time, if any, would not have an active grocery store.
SSM Health said in a statement, as a healthcare organization, we recognize how important access to fresh foods are for the health of our patients, neighbors, and community. We look forward to collaborating with the City of Madison and the community to move forward with a project that is in the best interest of all parties.
There may be some growing pains in the process, but I'm really hopeful actually now that in the long term, what we're going to get is something that's really positive for the community.
Now, Mayor Rhodes Conway did point out that there are a number of locally owned ethnic food stores currently in that community, and she wants to give those some attention as well.